I just finished rebuild this engine. I put a new piston, new liner, everything is finished. That's the Ali truck. That's my friend truck. Everything is finished. It's ready and the truck is running. So he's ready to go make his money. Everything is done, no oil leak. Not bad with a 6-3 diesel, no oil leak. Just check all the engine you want. Look at the bottom of it, no oil leak. Everything is fine. See the truck running good. I'm done with the truck. Everything is finished.